What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Ryan, and here on this channel I do Chevy Avalanche videos, I do all kinds of car videos, and I try to do some cool stuff for y'all, and I try to teach y'all some DIYs and how to maintain your vehicles. For those of you who have been following me for a while, welcome back, and thank you all for following me again. On today's episode, we are going to do a Q&A, and unfortunately I only have two questions left because I did other videos on them, but I figured I'd pile these together so y'all can get a rundown on him. So the first question is, where is your Avalanche? And that was from Chopped24. And the second question is, what's your next project? And that's from ChazRad1114. So Chopped24, is it Chopped24? Chopped Racer 24, I'm sorry. Chopped Racer 24, where is your Avalanche? So a lot of you guys know I moved to Florida. Right now I'm currently in New Jersey, spending time with the family. Unfortunately, some got sick, and I ended up staying here, taking care of everyone, and just some personal problems going on. But other than that, I'm heading back to Florida. I'm gonna get my Avalanche again. You guys are gonna see the videos again. Trust me, they're coming. I got awesome videos for y'all. I got a brake installer to do, electronic brake installer for trailers I got to do. So we got some stuff coming up. Wide body kit, things like that of that nature. We got some stuff coming up, trust me. So that's where it is. It's currently in Florida right now. I'm in Jersey, so I'm 1,200 miles away. I can't do nothing with it. It's just parked in my yard. Other than that, it's just sitting comfortably. Now, the next one here from ChazRad1114. What is the next project? ChazRad. The next project is going to be a project, but it's going to be a secret project. I don't know what I'm saying, dude. I don't even know, man. I've been looking for cars. Unfortunately, used cars are like, they're trying to call top dollar for these used cars now, and I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna find one, don't worry. I'm looking around, I'm trying to see something, maybe an S2000. I really want the Skyline, guys. That's my dream car. I really want a Skyline. You have no idea. I'm gonna get one. I just don't know how yet, but I'll get one. But we're gonna work on something along that nature. I really want to build a drift car. That's something cool. Guys, every time I ask y'all to like the channel to help boost it up into the YouTube algorithm, that's because the channel is monetized. So when the channel's monetized, we get paid on this channel. And the reason I ask for that is because the more ads that are viewed and stuff like that, we get paid for it. And that's how YouTube really works, essentially. Currently, the channel does not make enough for me to make a living on, or for me to do crazy awesome projects. I get paid a little bit, and then I save up what I can to buy something. The reason why I ask you guys to like, to subscribe, really, it's not really much of subscribers, but I want to build a family with it, because I do love all y'all equally, and I like communicating with y'all. I think it's awesome. But the reason why I ask you guys to like so much is because it pushes the channel to other levels, and the YouTube algorithm will start to pick up, hey, this guy's getting a lot of engagement. Hey, this guy is getting people viewing him. Let's push it out there. So then more people start viewing. And then when more ads are starting playing, then I start getting paid more. When I start getting paid more, that's going to help sponsor the channel to, you know, that'll help me get sponsorships because the more eyes will be on me. That'll help me get more projects going. That'll help me buy whatever vehicle I want to make a project for you guys so you guys can see. You know, that'll help me be able to give back to society. Like, one of my biggest goals and dreams is to give back to a cancer organization. I really love St. Jude's. I've always wanted to donate like a huge lump sum to them. There are projects that I want to do, you know, and it's not much that I ask of y'all to just like the videos. I hope it's not, and I'm not trying to sound like I'm selfish or anything, but because I'm far from that. I really like helping people a lot, but the number one reason why I want to make a little living off of this is because I can buy these projects. And when I buy these projects, it allows me to do videos for you guys. It allows me to show you things that you will have to either go to a dealer or go to a mechanic to pay for, and possibly get ripped off. And I like trying to figure it out on my own, show you guys the way of doing it, and then save you guys money. Plus, making a little something to live too, man, is a good thing. It goes a long way. So when I ask you guys to like it, please hit like if it doesn't take too much out of you guys. And if it really does take a lot out of you guys, if it really does take a lot out of you guys to like the video, then you don't have to do it. But that's that. I know eventually the channel will grow. One of these days it's growing. It's slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race, like they always say. So eventually it'll get there. But what am I even talking about? This has nothing to do with what Chazrad asked about the next project. Kind of it does though. I'm a little crazy. If y'all haven't realized that, I talk to myself a lot. Obviously I'm standing here with a camera talking to myself. I clearly have no friends. But yeah, so Chazrad, we don't know what the next project is. Something will come up somewhere along the line, and I'll get something for y'all. All I know on the channel so far right now is the wide body kit for the Avalanche is in the works. We are talking about it. It's still in the developmental stage of us drawing it out, trying to plan it out. The Avalanche is in Florida right now, so when I get there, then I'll try to mock up something or start taking measurements. My boy Peter is gonna help me. We want to make one out of metal. We want to make it different than anything anyone's ever seen before. So all that does take some time. I don't know when the beginning episodes is gonna start on it. I don't know, but it'll be there. It'll be there. Like I said, we have the electronic brake controller to put in. That's another project. We have a good few things to do in the Avalanche. The Corolla project just finished. We don't know what other cars is there. I really want to get something. I love my Japanese cars, but I also love my American muscle cars. I don't know how y'all feel about Mustangs. I don't know how y'all feel about Camaros. Let me know what y'all want to see, guys, and I'll try my best to get it done. Other than that, I hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace out.